In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI-assisted sketches in OpenArt. We'll start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the image category to reveal the creation options. When you see the option to begin a new project, click Create Image to open the workspace where all the settings live. Inside the creation page, you can switch the model or character to guide the style of your results. Models act like different engines or style packs, and characters help maintain consistent features across images. Choose one that leans toward drawing or line work if you want a sketchier finish. This choice sets the tone for everything that follows. Next, use the search or style field and type the word sketch. This quickly filters options to the ones best suited for line art. From the list, select either American comic sketch or caricature sketch. American comic sketch tends to produce bold, inked lines with dynamic shading and a graphic look. Caricature sketch pushes proportions for a playful, exaggerated style. Pick the one that matches the mood and purpose of your image. Now, write your text prompt describing what you want to generate. Be specific but clear. Mention the subject, the action, the setting, and the mood, plus any materials or qualities you care about, like pencil, ink, cross-hatching, or rough shading. For example, you might say inked comic-style portrait with strong outlines and light hatching, or loose pencil caricature with expressive lines. Avoid stuffing in too many synonyms. Well-chosen phrases usually perform better than long lists. Before you generate, adjust the aspect ratio so the canvas fits your use case. A square ratio is a safe, versatile choice. Portrait ratios work well for posters and profile images, while landscape ratios suit banners and scene-wide compositions. Matching the ratio to your final destination helps the composition land correctly on the first try. Decide how many images you want to create in one pass. Increasing the number gives you more variety to choose from, but it will consume additional credits. If you're exploring, a small batch is a good balance between options and cost. When you're ready, click Create. OpenArt will process your request using the selected model, style, prompt, aspect ratio, and image count. Give it a moment to render. Finally, review the results. Look at line quality, composition, and how well they capture your prompt. If something isn't quite right, refine your prompt, switch between the two sketch styles, or adjust the ratio and image count, then generate again. That's all you need to create compelling, AI-assisted sketches in OpenArt.